I hate winter. Hate it with a passion. And no, I'm not some grumpy old granny who's just pissed off because it's too cold to sit on my front porch in my favorite rocking chair. Instead, I'm a young, vibrant woman who's usually full of life, but this cold-ass winter is impeding on that life. Every stinking winter, it's the same old rubbish. Gray, depressing skies, fog all over the city, low visibility, wet sidewalks, dead grass, and scary howling winds. I hate winter. We wear layers of clothes, drink gallons of coffee, and still it's frickin' cold outside. Then, just when you think it can't get any worse, here come these intrusive, evil little white flakes, falling everywhere and covering everything from parks to cars. I hate winter. I want a date with spring so I can start living again.